Hello children, today we are going to start the phonic sound of E. Read and learn the E sound. B E E B, T R E E tree, F R E E free, W E E K week, J E E P jeep, WEEP weep, SWEET sweet, PEEP pip, SLEEP sleep, SPEED speed, GREET grit, STREET street. Then EA sound. PEAP, TEAT, SEAC, TEAT, DEAL deal, HEAL hill, FLEA flea, PEAL pill.